If you're a business, I'm sure you do receive a lot of messages from people almost every day, and I'm sure you find it hard sometimes to manage and to save all those contacts. So I've been searching online for a tool that can allow me like to save unsaved numbers on WhatsApp. Okay, so most of the tools I've tried are Chrome extensions. Some of them are not free, some of them they do not work, but luckily I've come across one free tool that is really working when it comes to saving people who contact you the numbers, so that's what you can get in touch with them later on. So what you need to do is go to Chrome Store and simply search for contact server for WA, that's WhatsApp. So as for me, I already have this extension installed, and it's this one here in a green icon. So as you can see, as for me, this extension is already added to my WhatsApp. So it's already added to my Chrome. So what you need to do is simply click on it, then a pop-up will show asking you to where the contacts you can save from. So you can save contacts from a WhatsApp group or from a chat list from those who are not unsaved. So for now, I'm simply going to export unsaved contacts from the chat list. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to choose the vCard. So when you choose vCard, it's easy to add these contacts to your contacts app on your phone when you use the vCard. So I think saving these contacts to your phone using vCard, I think that should not be a problem. So now that you have good access to a tool like this, it should be easy. So what you need to do is simply click on export now. So you are going to have the vCard of all the contacts of the numbers of people who are not saved. So I would have shown you all the numbers, but I think these people deserve their privacy, so I will not do that. So if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go and subscribe. Bye for now.